And you can shut that off. Yeah. So this is the boiler room. It's all PK. Pretty wild, right? All stainless heat exchangers. So it comes in down here, heats up a little bit, comes back up on the top, fucking boils, gets sent back out. Little circ pump. Yeah, got a bunch of them. All variable speed pumps, computerized. Two for our heat pumps. For snow melt. Shutoffs. Our other heat chambers. Well, really mixing tanks. Because everything comes in through this at like 180 degrees, 160 degrees. And it goes in there and mixes with the cold water. And that's what supplies the whole place. Our domestic pumps. Yeah. Massive air separator. Another expansion tank. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.